Before beginning your ratchet repair, please make sure that the inside of the ratchet body is clear of all debris, grease, dust, and dirt. I'm going to pick up the ball and spring and put that in the bottom hole. Use your drill bit to depress it into the hole. Pick up the trigger, slide the trigger through the ratchet. Once there's pressure on the trigger, pull out the drill bit. Now we're going to grab the shim and put it in the back of the ratchet. Make sure it is well seated in the ratchet. Here you can see how it should look. For beginners, a piece of tape might help hold the trigger in while you're reassembling the ratchet. We're going to grab the springs with the caps on them, placing in the two holes in the trigger. And there's the second one. Take the can, place it on the top of the caps. Might have to wiggle it to depress the springs in. Use your other finger to hold it in, and then grab the gear. Put the gear in at an angle. Remove your finger while you insert the gear. And the hard part is now over. Take your faceplate, install that. Grab the snap ring. Here's where you use your little hook or awl to seat the snap ring. You can remove the tape, and your ratchet is now repaired.